Hey guys, Franco with Wisdify here, and today we're doing a really quick video on how to link sheets in Excel. This is very useful if you're working with an Excel file where numbers that you need in one sheet or one tab are found in other sheets. So you might think when you're starting out with Excel and it's your first time maybe, you might be wondering, oh my God, I'm working with a sheet here and all of the numbers that I need are over here, but I need to put them in a different sheet. Does that mean I have to copy paste over and over and over? Let's get to that. So you should be seeing a file with an assumptions tab or sheet and an income statement sheet. So what are we looking at here? Let's say, for example, that I have assumptions here that I need to project into my income statement. Now, again, these are in two separate sheets, and if I have to make the computations over here. Let's say I want to compute for my total revenue for 2020. I have to compute that by multiplying sales volume and selling price together. But now, how do I bring that all the way over here? Well, the first thing that you might think of doing is copying and pasting it over here, and you get 0 because you copy pasted the formula. When you press Control, a little menu comes up and you can choose what to paste. And maybe you're going to say, okay, now it's easy. I just need to paste my values. But you see, what happens is you're pasting a value and this number is static now. If I go back to my assumptions and I say, oh my God, my initial estimates were off by 1,000, right? We were actually expecting to sell 6,000 units this year. And now my number is different. I'm expecting around, how much is this? 300,000 in sales. And when I go back, the number is still 250,000. Because of these numbers being in separate tabs, we think that there's a barrier to making this whole workbook dynamic. But that's not what we want to happen. To make our lives a lot easier, we want to make sure that everything we do is dynamic, right? So how do we do that? That's where linking between sheets comes in. So instead of pasting a static value here, I can do something like I press equals, and instead of inputting a formula or referencing cells within this tab, I can actually go over to a different tab and reference cells from there instead. And now it's that easy, right? You don't have to reference just single figures like I did. Instead of doing the computation for revenue over here, I can actually do that all the way over here. And as you see, I deleted my figure. It's 0 on this side, and on this side, now it's 0 as well. So our workbook is pretty much dynamic at this point. If I put 50 over here, it's now 50 on the other side as well. So isn't that cool? But I don't have to do single figures. I can do my computations and my formulas here, but I can use cells in different sheets. All right, so let me show you that. Instead of doing the computations here, I can reference cells from a different tab instead while maintaining the formula in my original sheet, and bam, there you have it. So if I change my figures here in the assumptions tab, let's say, okay, yeah, we were actually wrong. 5,000 is really good. We changed the assumptions here, and once we go back to our income statement, our figure changes as well. So that's how easy it is to link sheets in Excel. I hope this video has helped you a lot. Again, this is Franco with Wisdify, and have a great day.